So how you can set custom resolution on a MacBook? If the standard resolution option on your Mac aren't enough and you want to set something more specific, you can unlock all available resolutions with one small trick. On your Mac, go to System Settings, you can click on the Apple logo and click System Settings. Then on the left, go to Displays. And here you will see a few preset options, but to get the full list, hold down the Option key on your keyboard and click on one of the resolution boxes. So hold Option, click on Default, and now you can reveal every resolution your display supports. Just enable this option, Show All Resolutions. And now you can pick the one that fits your needs and your Mac switches to it immediately. If you want to go even further and use resolutions that Apple doesn't officially list, there's a free app called Better Display. So you can search for it, betterdisplay.pro, and you can download it here, and it lets you set completely custom resolutions, including ones your Mac wouldn't normally allow. But for most people, the Option key trick gives you more than enough to work with. If you have any questions, make sure to comment, make sure to subscribe, and see you next time.